the Turkish army needs like a quick weapon system which can get into place very quick, make a shot and get out of the... And we started to create like a truck mounted 155 caliber weapon system. That is the main purpose for our project. And we want that it's fully armored, and we want that it should be stand for the backfire forces as well. So we have get experience for searching the whole around the world, what kind of systems in the world market. The chassis is and the engine is the MAN truck. We are using the commercial truck that we converted in the military type. So actually we get rid of the cabin system, and also we just make it armament of the cabin. So we designed the chassis and the cabin, and we only use the main chassis and the motor of the MAN chassis. The back of the vehicle, we have standard 155 caliber weapon system. It's like a half automatic system. It has like a manually deployment of the ammunition, and the cabin can carry 5 persons, the crew is 5 persons. The maximum range of the weapon system is 40 kilometers, but with the modular gunpowder it can increase the range.
We believe that this vehicle will create its own segment because there is no comparable vehicle at the moment in the market for this vehicle. There are different versions of light armored vehicles in the market, but this one is unique in terms of mobility, survivability features. This vehicle is built on military chassis, belongs to our own company. It's an indigenous design whole vehicle, including the military chassis. It is 8 tons vehicle. Usually this type of vehicles can, for example, speed up to 120 kilometers, 120, but we will be shooting more than 140, 150 kilometers with this vehicle. It has a modular structure. The base one has level 1, Stanak level 1 protection level, but it is with add-on armors we can increase it different locations to different protection levels. We will have different configurations. For example, with the back portion we can make it open top like a pickup version. And again, different configurations of weapon systems or payloads will be able to mount it on this vehicle. Currently we have an automated machine gun and a mast system at the back of the vehicle, but depending on customer requirements, we can put lots of different payloads. This version is able to carry 9 staff, but we can again modify it depending on customer requirements. We can put 7.62 to 12.7 millimeters automated machine guns on this vehicle, or payloads for surveillance systems. And there are hand grenade launchers on the vehicle on both sides. So it is up to our customer.
Program for Aselsan is M-60T modernization, which you see on my back. We have already in service M-60T MBTs, but in the field we need to improve the protection level against anti-tank ammunitions. So we have started to modernize these platforms. We have integrated spall liner inside the system. You can see at the side, 4 corners, you see situational awareness system, and downside of that, under that you can see the laser warning receiver systems. At the remote weapon station is the same remote weapon station with Leopard 2A4 and also for Altay. 7.62, 12.7 and 40 millimeter gun can be installed on that remote weapon station platform. We also integrate driver side system to that platform as well, but you cannot see on that prototype. We have developed it for Turkish Army and it's already in use. Another thing that we have integrated, I have to say, is that auxiliary power unit and climate control for MBTs.
Listen.
As Katmerciler founded at 1985, first we started to produce anti-riot vehicles in Turkey, and now we are the market leader for that segment. After that we have another goal, mission for the defense industry in Turkey, and we started to produce MRAP vehicles like Hizir. In November, our President Erdogan unveiled this car, and since then we are attending some tenders, and we believe that in the near future we will sell some units to our army, police, and also the export version of the Hizir to another countries. As Katmerciler, we are very good at the R&D because in Turkey R&D is very important, and Katmerciler is one of the certificated R&D center from the ministry. And now we are using that power to make new MRAPs and new segments in the defense industry. And today we have established a good cooperation work with Aselsan and Aselsan hybrid engine. We put the hybrid engine to Hizir, and this is the first armored vehicle in Turkey which is hybrid. So this will give much powerful strength to our army and the police, because as you know the hybrid has many advantages. First, it will be low consumption, and for the development in the next future it will be much easier and the cost efficient way. As you know, in the hybrid engine, once you closer to the enemy, it can make full silence mode, which gives a very good advantage as well. And now the Hizir is the first segment of this car. Today is the first day of our ambulance in the exhibition. It is armored one, and it's on Ford F550 chassis. As you see, the interior, the inside is very large, and all the doctors can operate without sitting. So this can be very useful for the operations, and it can carry about 5 people. And this has another version. It can be at B7 or Stanak 2 or 3 ballistic level. It's up to the customer request, and this is the first one in the Turkey with the armored ambulance.